Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing some quick cleaning up some mess from the weekend, and just getting everything done early in the morning. So yeah, let's jump right to it. So first, we're just gonna start off by washing the never-ending dishes. I swear my sink does not last empty more than 5 minutes. There's always a dish inside, so we're gonna take care of that. And then we're just gonna do some laundry and sweep and mop a little bit and just, give everything a fresh, clean look. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, please consider subscribing. I would love for you to be part of my channel. And I hope this video motivates you guys to get up and tackle something in your house that you've been putting off for a while. So I keep this bag of lemons. I freeze them and I just use them as ice cubes in my water. You have lemon water. So here I am just wiping down the counters and filling up my jar of rice. And I'm going to wash a dish that my daughter used for her breakfast. Like I said, never ending pile of dishes. So now I'm just gonna move over to the coffee area and wipe down that counter, wipe down the Keurig itself, and wash out the tray because it was filled. And I'm gonna fill up the K-cups because that was low, and how satisfying is that? Now waking up every morning to make your coffee and seeing all that filled, it's amazing. I love coffee.
Why is it hard on my own? Why am I not like her? Baby, more so. Why must the curtains come down? Why must the curtains come down? Softness now. In the end, we should leave something special. Let him talk.
So I have to sweep my kitchen real quick because it accumulates so much dirt. It leads to the back door and the dog just tracks in dirt and us when we go out. So I'm just gonna sweep that up, and then I'm just gonna move in over to the living room, open up some curtains. There's my doggy and Ollie, and I'm just gonna put some Criminal Minds. Now I've been on a Criminal Minds binge, and I'm on season 7, I believe, and there are 12 seasons. So yeah, let me know what show you guys are binge watching during this time. And yeah, I have to watch my shows with subtitles, so let me know, do you guys watch your shows with subtitles, or does that annoy you guys? And here I'm just gonna get started with some laundry, and look at me squinting because I can't see. I'm practically blind and I don't even know where my glasses are. So yeah, I'm just gonna fold some laundry and put it away.
I wish to be me.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you liked it, don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.